So we're going to jump into this order set according to the training competency scenario. So the first couple things, we have IV saline lock per protocol. Notice that there's nothing red here so far. Flush, saline flush. M for monograph will give us drug information. And then the I for information, it's already here, saline lock, IV site, flush, PRN. We'll go ahead and click on it just to show you if there were more information like dose instruction, it would be there. So that I is, indicates there's sometimes more information than you're seeing right here. Telemetry says once. We're going to edit that, change it to Q2 hours under frequency, because once for telemetry doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. It'd be nice if there was a continuous option, but you can see there's not. So just for practicing purposes, we're going to change it to Q2 hours every every 2 hours. So that doesn't even look like an option. We have Q15 minutes, every 2 hours respiratory, Q30 minutes, Q4 hours. We'll go with Q30 minutes. And all the stars are taken care of, so we'll click next. Following reflex sets were loaded. EKG assessment. What that's talking about is a flow sheet that's added to the work list so that respiratory can document information they need to document on the EKG. So we'll click OK. So there's an EKG stat for 1620. We're going to add one more by clicking that plus. Gives us another option. We're going to do 3 hours post this one. So 1620 plus 3, 1920. So we'll click on edit, start time, use the clock. We'll call it 1930. Notice the start time and the stop time. Today, changed to 1930. Adding a favorite, something you can do to add that to your favorites list if you want to. I hesitate to touch it right now because sometimes in test it's broken. It'll kick me right way back out to the beginning screen. So following down, oxygen, we need to tell it oxygen delivery method and flow rate. So we can hit this button, or we can actually do it right here from the top screen. So we'll say nasal cannula. Also, to show you, if you already know it's going to be nasal cannula, you can type in, it'll give you the in options, or let me go back again, give it about 3 letters. That's the only option for NAS, so it's kind of a shortcut. 3 liters. Okay, the sheet says pulse ox, cardiac panel, BMP. We're going to add the D-dimer. Okay, that's added. Chest view, chest x-ray 1 view. We're going to have to tell it why. For this patient, it's chest pain. Skipping CTs, no CTs ordered. Down to aspirin. According to our sheet, the 3 medications we're going to do right now: aspirin, nitro tablet, and Zofran. So it doesn't require anything else of us there. IV push over 2 minutes. 325 milligrams PO. 1. Nitro, give every 5 minutes. PRN for chest pain up to 3 doses. Notice this plus would be how you would give metoprolol if you wanted to add that. But we're going to leave that for now. And there's the reflex EKG assessment that'll pop up on the work list. Any order, in case you wanted to add any other thing, you could add it there. CBC, whatever, just type it in. But we're just going to stick with the order set for now. And we'll click next.